Hello friends, welcome to the channel here. This is Amit here from QuickBooks Learning for Beginners. Today we will be talking about or learning about how to customize the invoices in QuickBooks. And to start with, we have a QuickBooks Enterprise. You can see at the very top it's written there, QuickBooks Enterprise Solutions 24.0. And this is the desktop version of QuickBooks. The file which we are working on now is on the top, very top, which is a sample rock castle construction. That means this is a sample file. It's not the original file we have opened. And how to start with working with the QuickBooks. It's desktop version again. I just want to say. So first thing is we will open the templates. How we can go with is we click on the list at the very top and click on templates option. And when we have templates option, there we can see the list of templates which Intuit has already provided with the company file. So when you create a company file, some of the templates are pre-designed templates in the company, which software provides to you, and you can then customize those softwares, those templates according to your business, right? Whatever the business requirements you have it according to the invoices, you can do that. So I'll show you the options here. We have it like when we click on customers create invoices, we will see the invoice come up, and under invoice you can see that that's the template we have it. That's the rock castle invoice. This is pre-default selected there, so we can change the invoice from this field. Like let's say we click on progress invoice, we click on that, and you can see that the layout has totally changed in this field. And the list of these all the templates we have it, we can go from the list at the very top and we can click on templates. And here's the template list, the one which we can go and customize that. So to start with, we can click on templates at the very top and click on edit template, or we can go to the new template, right? We can also do the edit part as well. We can right click on this template. We can either edit the template. If we click on edit template, this window will come up here and we can edit it accordingly. Or if we want to create new template, we can click on the drop down templates and click on new here. So you can see when we click on new here, these are the list of all those uh, transactions we have there, where we can go and apply the customization of the templates. We can apply those templates under invoices, under credit memo screen, sales receipt, purchase orders, statement, estimate, payment receipt, bill payment, sales orders. So we can design these layouts accordingly, and we can apply them to these transactions, to these layouts, right? So we can click on OK here at the top. And now the next screen, when we click on the new here, the next screen comes up. It's a new template screen where we can go and customize according to our needs. So we have manage templates. We can click on manage template. There are copies. There's a name at the very top which we can go and change it, like let's say rock construction. That's the name which we have given to this template. We can do the changes now accordingly, and let's say click on OK. If we want to apply this template, the one which is been shown here on the screen, we can apply that as well, or we can go and customize this template. So here it says use logo. So when we check mark that, we can download the logo and we can upload this logo here. Let me see if I have some logos here. Let's say this logo we have. For an example, we can open it. You can see at the very top there's a logo appears of QuickBooks, right? And then we can select the color scheme here. It says black. When we click on black, gray, maroon, we can apply the color scheme accordingly. So once the border, you can see at the on this invoice has changed the color, that will appear only when we have a colored print. And if we have a black and white printer, that will not show the maroon color. So we need the colored printer for this. And next thing is you can see change the font for title, company name, company address. So and labels, data, subtotals are there at the bottom, you can see. So accordingly we can change the font. It says change font. When we click on that, you can see there's an Arial, Arial round, Times New Roman, Barnard empty. So when we select this and click on OK, and there and then we can go and apply the size as well. Right now it's a default 21, so we can change it to 20. Let's say we need a small one, we can do that. And when we click on OK, it will change the font on overall template. You can see the color has also been changed here, and it's been changed to maroon. So the next step is, you can see company and transaction information. These are the check boxes. These are the requirements of you can see that company name is something which we need that on the invoice. Then company address is there. You uncheck it, you can see the company address has vanished from it. Let's say, yeah, we are checking it back again. You can see the company address is back now. So these are all other options which we can add on to that invoice, but this company name, company address is the default again. So if you want to add phone numbers to this invoice, we can check it. Email address, we can check it, and that will appear at the bottom, you can see. And fax number, if we want to add it, you can see the fax number has come up here at the bottom. And now update information, if you want to do that, you can apply it from there. You have contact information again. Rock Castle Construction is the template, and this is actually the company name and the company address you have, which you want to add, or you want to edit it. Legal name, company identification, if you want to add the federal ID number, then the tax information, and the phone number. So whatever the phone number or the information, you will type it here, that will appear on the invoice template. So let's go and click on OK there. OK there, let's say, yeah. Again, it's also it will add the fax number on the invoice itself. So the next screen, the next two tabs, you can see it says additional customization and layout designer. So if we click on custom layout, that's additional customization, it will show up these boxes here which you check or uncheck. Screen means the one, the layout which you can see is, you can see on the screen. And print is, or you can print that. But if I go and uncheck the screen option, that will only show us as print under the print. We can do the print under invoice. You can see the title here, invoice, at the very top right hand side. The date is there. Then invoice number is there. And if you uncheck that, if you do want to uncheck it, it will go and remove it from the template. You can see that I am checking it, so it will go, it will return it back to the invoice. Terms is the same thing. If you want to add term box there, you can add it, you can customize that. PO box, again, you can check it again. The project is there. Ship date, again, you can print or screen it. So these are the small boxes which will add up when you check mark these boxes. Columns, we talk about. Columns is something, this is the description, you can see this is check marked. Screen, print again. And this is the, if we let's say that this box we want to, this column we want to remove it, we can just uncheck it, that will remove it, you can see that. And if you want to add it again, that will come up. The same goes with other columns as well, other check mark boxes. Cost, it will add up a cost there. So this is something which is relates to the columns. And that's progress columns. If you want to add some estimate rates, quantity on this invoice, we can just check it, it will add up, right? Let's say continue on that. Let's uncheck it. Footer, so these are the boxes, you can see these are the small tabs you have it, where you can add those columns there to the invoice. Custom message, subtotal, let's say uncheck the subtotal, it will remove it from the invoice. So that's the print option, you have it. And this is the preview means before printing, we can see the layout of the invoice which we are going to apply on the invoice itself. The designer, layout designer is, let's see what it is. So when we click on layout designer, it will help us to move these boxes to the position where we want to set up, right? Let's say date column, we want to adjust that. Let's say drag it, and here, if you want to add it here, we can move it here on this window. The same goes with the PO box number. If you want to adjust the PO box number here, we can click on it and just drag it here on this invoice. make sure we have to apply that. Like let's say terms, we want to make it in, we want to set up that in the middle, we can just drag it and move it here. And the same goes with the other boxes. You can see that we can just squeeze it, it will be remove it from the original position. And that's how we can design the template here. And again, we have to click on OK. So once we have an OK here, it will show up the screen where you can see that the boxes, we drag it, we change it, it is showing up on the preview invoice, the PO box terms. And then we have changed the date as well here, you can see. And then we have to click on OK and apply. That's the layout designer. Okay, so we are back to the same screen. So this is the template which we have designed, and we have learned how we can go and customize that on the invoice. And just to inform you that this is the desktop version of QuickBooks, which we have tried to customize that and on the invoice. So the one we have customized is let's say the invoice which we have customized is rock construction. Right now we are going to apply this rock construction template. This one, the one which is showing up now on the list, is we are going to apply on the invoice. So we are again going back to the customers, create invoice screen, and here is the list again. When we click on rock construction, which has appeared at the bottom, you can see. So we click on it and it will show up the same template here. And when we go and click on preview after creating that, it will print the same way, the one which we have designed. Right, so that's how we have learned uh, how to customize the templates in QuickBooks Desktop. And just for an update, there's an offer going on for 30% discount for next 6 months for the customers who wants to subscribe for online QuickBooks. Right, that's online QuickBooks, and 1 month would be an extra free if you click on the link below under description and subscribe for the plan, for the yearly plan or monthly plan. uh, and please do subscribe, and also please like the video if you like, if you know, if you understood what exactly the QuickBooks is, the video is all about. Customization is something which customers uses according to the business they are in. Like if they are in construction, manufacturing, or trucking business, or air conditioning business, they have a small business in US, accordingly they actually use or and customize the invoice under QuickBooks. So we learned list. Under list we have all kinds of variations, all kinds of default templates we can design with the new template as well, and we can apply them on the invoice. Thank you very much, and please do like and subscribe the video. That would be more helpful for us to create more topics under QuickBooks. Thank you, take care, bye.